All right, everybody, coming to you with another video here. I am watering the plant. This is a good way to water without disturbing. I did remove it from the hook from above because you know they need to be watered. And this way, I don't move it to a different location. I keep it at the same location so it doesn't too much confuse the birds, because you do need to water it before it dies. But let's check out the babies. Oh, I hope you guys, oh, they have wings. I mean, they have their, I'm trying to get in there. I hope you can see. They have the feathers on the wingies. Aren't they cute? Oh, it's kind of hard to get all the way in there, but see that one in there? Aren't they little? Look at the little mouth, a little opera mouth. Well, oh, they're sleeping. Yeah, you look at their little afro. Oh, how cute. Little fluttering. So yeah, mama bird's coming back, so I'm going to cut this short. But I just wanted to show you how I do water the plant. And you can get these things from Home Depot, I guess Lowe's and stuff like that. And it's a deep one. It's not the shallow one. This is a deep 10-inch one for this one. Because I just want to make sure that they're nice and watered. Oh, look. Look at that. They're so cute. They're going fast. Look at them. Oh my gosh, they're going so fast. Oh. They're active today. And it's hot and humid today. They're doing well. They're growing so nicely. And this way too, just allow them to get in your plants, you know. This gives them a safe environment where they can grow and thrive, be fed well. Actually, mama bird and daddy bird comes and feeds them periodically. I don't know how they're not tired, but this is how it is. All right, so we'll just do weekly checkups to allow you guys to see how they're growing. Look at their little butts. It's teeny. Oh, they're singing. Oh. All right, you guys. I will come back to you next week. All right, take care.